Hello, my beautiful people. How on a day? Today I will be breaking down this amazing and beautiful bass line I just played on this Makossa song. The progression is 1-4-5-4. That is do fa so fa. Okay, and the key of the song is F major. Okay, the key is F major. Uh, Please, if you are new to this channel, before we proceed, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, like this video, leave a comment and share this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and also share it. Thank you very much. So I want you to pick up your bass, pick up your headphones, and let us go. All right, so as I've said earlier, the song is on the key of F. So I'll be breaking it down bit by bit. Okay. So the first thing I played. So these are the notes. La, mi, mi, so, re, mi, fa, re, sol, la, so, la, do. Let me take that slowly. La, mi, mi, so, re, mi, fa, re, sol, la, so, la, do. That was the first thing I did. If you watch the video carefully, so let me take that again. La, mi, mi, so, re, mi, fa, re, sol, la, so, la, do. But I was adding hammer-ons and pull-ups. Sorry. You see? La, mi, mi, so, re, mi, fa, re, sol, la. Hammer on. All right. So practice that slowly. Then after that one, I did. Okay. Okay. Mira, 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 re. Re, mi. Okay. Mira, 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 re. Re, mi. Let me take that slowly. Mira, 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 re. Re, mi. So let me join the two. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go to the groove I played. All right, so for the groove I played. Okay, so these are the notes. Re thump, re thump, re thump, so so thump, re thump, re thump, sa sa la re mi, re thump, re thump, re thump, so so thump, re thump, sa la re mi. Okay, re thump, re thump, re thump, so so thump, re thump, sa la re mi thump. Okay, all right. Re thump, re thump, re thump, so so thump, re thump, sa la re mi thump. Okay. Re thump, re thump, re thump, so so thump, re thump, re sa la re mi thump. Like that. Just keep repeating it. All right. So after that, I now played. Twice. So these are the after this I was just using the timing. so 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 while I was playing. Okay, so 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 so. Then do re mi do re mi do re mi so la so la so la so la so. Okay, do re mi so la 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 so. Do re mi so la 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 so. Do re mi so la 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 so. That is your pentatonic scale. Do re mi so la do do la so mi re do. Okay, so I just played with it. Do re mi so la 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 so. Do re mi so la 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 so. Let me take it slowly. Do re mi so la 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 so. Okay, so for the last groove I played so without the thumb I played do mi so fa re ti ti so fa re do mi so fa re ti ti so fa re. So let me take it slowly. Do mi so fa re ti ti so fa re do mi so fa re ti ti so fa re do mi. Okay, so I'll just repeating it, but the note is just do mi so fa re ti ti so fa re, then back to do mi again, repeating the same notes. Okay, but I was adding the thumb, so do mi thumb so thumb fa thumb re ti ti thumb so fa thumb do mi thumb so thumb fa thumb re thumb ti ti thumb so thumb fa thumb re do mi. All right, so those were the notes from the groove I played. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and also share this video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. God bless you.